Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might save you some hassle: how to dispute a charge on your Citi Strata card. Whether it's a sneaky fraudulent transaction or just a simple billing error, knowing the right steps can help you get your money back quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First off, why dispute a charge? Well, it protects your finances and ensures accuracy in your statements. The process is straightforward, but timing is key. Most disputes need to be filed within 60 days of the statement date, so don't delay. Step 1. Log into your Citi Strata account. You can do this via the Citi mobile app or the website at citibank.com. Make sure you have your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code handy for security. Once you're logged in, head to the Transactions or Activity section. Scroll through your recent purchases until you spot the questionable charge. Click on it to view details. That's where the magic happens. Next, look for a Dispute button or link, often labeled as Report an Issue or Dispute Transaction. If it's not immediately visible, check the Help menu or Customer Service options. When you select it, you'll be prompted to explain the problem. Be detailed. Describe why you think the charge is wrong. Maybe it was unauthorized, a duplicate, or not as described, and upload any evidence like receipts or emails. After submitting your dispute, Citi will review it. This typically takes 30 to 90 days, depending on the complexity. Keep an eye on your account for updates, and make sure to note any reference numbers for follow-up. A few pro tips. Always keep records of your dispute, including screenshots and correspondence. If you don't hear back in a reasonable time, contact Citi's customer service at 1-800-XXX4X for assistance. Remember, disputing charges is your right as a cardholder, so stay proactive. There you have it. Disputing a charge on your Citi Strata card doesn't have to be overwhelming. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.